Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. I am truly excited to welcome to this powerful session where we are going to know how you can increase your organic traffic with AI. Okay, so myself, Arjun, as you all guys may be familiar with, and today I have Ashish with me, and our presenter today is Ravish. So let's not go that deep. I'll just hand it to you, Ravish. You can take over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, Good morning to all WSIICs who are attending this webinar as Triple Your SEO Traffic with AI, presented by Vidushi Infotech. At Vidushi Infotech, we are using AI very strategically to get better results, and we wanted to share this first-hand stories or first-hand success stories with the IC communities. Since the inception of AI, there were many questions which have been asked: is SEO is dying? It is not dying, but it is evolving. As long as people are searching for business listing and voice search, I would rather say that it has given us a probability to rank our client site on both the places in search engine optimization as well as in search generative experience. You just need to have a correct strategy in place with related to content backlinking, so that you have an opportunity by which you can rank your client service areas in both the places of search engine optimization and search generative experience. The key is to adapt the new trends, and keep growing your agency. Right now, Google has a very huge number of data. Like they have the data from Gmail, Android application, then Google searches, and then Gemini, AI, Open LLM. So down the line, you will see that you will be getting more personalized results based on the queries which you are doing on search engines or generative search engines. Uh, pre- uh, Based on the present trends, what we see as the Google is receiving the type of clicks is gradually not decreasing, but it is growing up and up. So down the line, it is definitely a game changing. You need to just adapt and ensure that you are using the right practices. In start, like SEO challenges in 2025 is AI-driven search updates. Like previously, uh, we used to get the ads on top and then the organic listing. But since the AI inception, now we see that there is AI overview is coming in, then there is deep link are coming in, then the sponsored ads, and then the organic listing. So definitely we need to prioritize the type of activities or type of work what we are doing. Then zero click searches is reducing the traffic. Frequent algorithm changes as per our studies or as per the articles which has been published. What we see in our Google Analytics is definitely there is a lot more algorithm changes which is happening each day, say approx 3 or 4. Previously, we used to have say about in 3 months or 6 months back, we used to get one algorithm updates, and right now we are seeing in each day there are 3 to 4 algorithm updates which Google is doing based on AI, which is evolving the complete landscape. And down the line, we expect that there will be more frequent changes which won't be get published, because as of now we don't have any statistical any confirmed data which has been published or which has been published by Google. Then we see a rise of voice and visual searches by the younger generation. Since we are born in the era where we used to do text-based searches, but right now the trend has been changed and the younger generation are adopting to those changes of voice and visuals. Definitely, the focus is gone beyond the key phrases to be targeted, is basically on user intent, which could be multiple based on the services what your client is providing. Uh, we are targeting the multiple intent of the user, and producing relevant content on the web pages so that the user is having a good experience once they are landing on the pages. Definitely, there is increase in competition in ranking. Uh, Content saturation and originality is challenged due to Open LLM. I assume that approximately 4.6 billion piece of content has been produced on daily basis. So originality of the content using Open LLM uh, for basic research work or basic deep dive, and then adding a human touch or human value is definitely needed before publishing those things. Privacy laws are limited to data access. Then definitely complex local SEO NAP listing, since the generative search experience has impacted the way the local NAP listing searches has been shown. There is also one major point which you need to take into consideration is risk of AI generated content. Uh, if you are believing on 100%, this may harm your end client, because there are sometimes the wrong information or wrong opinion based content has been produced, which is hard. If you are a business owner, you need to understand those things so that you can safeguard your clients. SEO in 2025, the trend, challenges, and the strategy which by which you can get success is first is topic cluster and topical authority. And based on your client key phrases, you need to identify the multiple variation of those key phrases, and then you can produce pillar content or cluster content, uh, which should be unique, which should be unique and can be published on multiple places to get a better traffic. Website structure and internal linking is optimizing navigation and linking strategy for user-friendly designs. Then technical SEO is definitely mobile first activity and providing a structured data to crawler. Conversion-based traffic is identifying multiple intent of user which is relevant with your service for your clients. And once the user is landing on your website, you should have proper call to action for to increase the conversion. AI impact on the searches, you have to be aligned with the present trend, or you can also see as the future trend which is going to come into place is to adapt those impact on searches and change your strategies. Uh, Decline in niches is definitely you need to understand which are the golden key phrases which is giving you a good number of conversion or good number of traffic. And at the same time, you need to identify the new key phrases or new keywords which can add a value to the client, add a value to your client. Quality backlink and engagement metrics, you should always see that you are getting backlinks from high DA sites for your clients, and engagement metrics could be placed like what is the time the user is spending on your targeted pages for which you are doing content marketing. Branded traffic is boosting your PR activities. Then definitely you can understand you need to alter your strategy to cater to voice and visual search optimization as well for long key phrases and multiple intent-based searches which may happen. Then you have EAT is definitely a very good strategy to implement so that you are in Google guidelines as per the present guidelines and standard. Let's come to leveraging AI, how you can leverage your AI to boost your website traffic. You can utilize AI tools smartly for optimizing your sites. Definitely, there is part is research. You can do a deep dive research with multiple LLMs. Uh, Creation of content topic. Then once the topic has been created, you can always go for suggestions of metadata, internal links to be inserted. automation, and definitely tracking. How the multimedia searches is shaping the future is like Google Lens, AI-driven video searches, and voice search is definitely expanding. In Google Lens, the type of searches is definitely increasing to many folds what the data has suggested. So that is some places where we need to focus our strategy and plan of actions. Uh, I assume all who are attending this webinar are aware of these five major tools. I will suggest everyone to go with a paid version of these tools because every open LLM has a different source of fetching the informations in the machine learning phase and producing results based on the query. Like ChatGPT is very good for brainstorming, translation, and personal uh, producing customer client persona. Google Gemini is definitely a wide range of NLP based text which can redraft, rewrite, or give you suggested content. There are other features which will be adding down the line. Then Microsoft Copilot is definitely a piece of AI tools. It will be benefiting for those organizations who are using Microsoft products like Microsoft 365 and other stuff. So I will advise ICs to use multiple LLMs, do your own research and see as what is the best result which LLM is providing you, and according to that you can choose which open LLM you have to go for.
Ravish, before going ahead, guys, I would request if anyone has any kind of question, so you can drop in the chat box so we can address them there and there, either there and there or in the Q&A session. Okay. Yeah. Continue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thanks, Arjun. AI-driven pages analysis and optimization. How you can use AI tools to analyze and optimize your target service pages or target service of your clients. One of the major aspect is fixing content overlapping with AI. Assuming that you find some of the pages or some of the blog topics or some of the services is having an overlapping content, then you can use open LLMs like ChatGPT and merge those both piece of content and produce a new piece of content with internal links. This definitely will help you to boost your traffic by 10 to 13% increase in your SEO traffic. You need to ensure that whenever you are doing this type of activities as identifying overlapping content and merging those pages in one page, you should take care of 301 redirect of the URLs and any internal link which is available on that particular page. In the next slide, we will show you the prompts as how this activity can be performed. In prompt one, you can review and analyze, say, for the content of URL X. And in prompt two, you can examine the content of URL 2. So you can compare two uh, overlapping content pages for key themes and structure. And then in prompt three, once you utilize, you can identify common topics and overlapping content which is coming in the article. By using prompt 4, you can merge both the pages or both the article pages in one page. Once the result has been produced, you can, by using prompt 5, you can expand selective topic which has been produced by prompt 4. So that can expand those relevant topics which is based or which is very relevant with your landing page or with your clients or with your users intent based searches which is happening. After you can definitely use these five prompts at a different level. Don't merge this prompt in one because in that case the machine learning phase is not evolved, and you will not get the correct results uh, which you wanted to generate. So it is always advised you to use individual prompts, and after prompt 5 you can always explore more if you want to, like give me a fresh copy for this piece of content, or generate new fresh copy of content for these pages. You can always try and implement, but give time to machine to analyze the data, and then sequentially produce the relevant content. By using this activity, you can see, if you see multiple overlapping content pages on your website, you can increase the website traffic by 10 to 14%. Organizing related articles like Content Hub, as in Vidushi Infotech, like if I'm targeting some of the key phrases for some of the services which we are providing, like let's say SEO, or let's say paid verticals. So these are on in point one, you'll see that a specific piece of content has been written in order to rank the site on that particular key phrases. But once we enter into content marketing and option two, you need to you need to create the relevant creative topics and relevant creative content for the main pages, what is there in the web pages. By this, there are probability by which you can get better results. So fundamental SEO pages are different, and the and producing the content marketing, or the content creative content strategy should be at the present trend, which you can definitely generate through open LLMs, whichever you are using or comfortable with.
Ravish, we
Uh,
have a question actually from Chris. Does the Google search algorithm weigh whether the content is AI generated? If so, are there any drawbacks of writing content with a LLM tool? Chris, there is no, official update from the core update from Google that we shouldn't generate the
it,
content from AI. Okay, there is
no,
no such. Yeah, go ahead.
in this case, there are many existing tool which identify content which has been generated through AI tool. It is You should not use 100% the content which has been created through open LLMs. Definitely, you can use open LLMs to do a type of research work on multiple intent of users. There has to be human touch evolved. Once the content has been produced, you need to definitely see the complete content, and try to give a human touch to those content and then publish it. So definitely Google understand, if the tools are understanding that the content has been produced by AI, Google definitely understand it. It won't say it, but it will be difficult to rank relevantly if your research work is not strategically correct, based on the services what you are providing. You should always try to add in-depth knowledge to the content by using AI tools, and then rewrite or redraft whichever best possible way you see it. I hope I answer the question. Let's continue with the slide. Meta optimization is definitely a bread and butter for SEO agencies. AI tool can help you in boosting your optimization efficiency by letting AI handle time consideration tasks like generating meta tags and optimizing alt text, so that you are more focused on more important strategies which you see on the tools like Search Console or Google Analytics or any other tools which you're using, SAMrush or Href. Uh, the efficiency and impact of AI in structured data generation is also comes to within 90 to 95% accurate. AI automated structured data generation. It saves your time, and the accuracy is say about 90 to 95%. Uh, if the site is based on e-commerce model, then definitely product schema markup is it works at a very greater speed, and it can definitely generate multiple alt tags for images. It can generate multiple schemas for customer rating and making a listing. Same applies to local business schema markup also, by which you can have rich snippet for type of business services what you are providing to the client. FAQ is something which I would suggest that everyone should focus on FAQ schema markup, because this is the place where you have an ability. Uh, if your page is doing well, you will have a greater probability of ranking on generative search engines as well. Every page should, I will suggest, if those people who are trying to rank on both the places should use AI tools in a strategic way for individual product services, and produce the FAQs which user may ask while seeing your product. Recently, there is Screaming Frog have directly integrated with ChatGPT, and by which it can do tons of activity at lightning speed. It can automate content analysis. It can produce your metadatas. It can identify broken links. If the site is in e-commerce, it can generate alt tags for all the images. It can create metadata for all product pages. What you have at a fraction of seconds. The interface is very easy, and before publishing you should validate the type of content which has been generated, so that there is no room of wrong information being published. There are tons of articles which has been available for this particular integration which has happened. This is available in the paid version, and it costs you hardly $300 for a year. I'll suggest user ICs who are doing in-house activity should use it for definitely for those sites which are having e-commerce module or e-com module. Then there is for internal linking, you can also use AI tool to find a new opportunity by which you can identify the places from which you can do internal linking to other pages, which will give a better experience for user and crawler to read or interlink the pages. You can take a screenshot if you wish for internal linking. It will give you an opportunity in new pages or an old pages, that which place you should put an interlinking to which section. That will be suggested. Suggested by this prompt. How AI can be used in keyword research and segmentation of the keywords. AI can simplify keyword research. Let's assume that you have done your initial discovery of the client, as what is the client persona, what is user intent, and how it can help which activities or which strategy to be used to improve the SEO qualities. For keyword brainstorming, you can use this prompt, which will generate the multiple ways of long trail keywords and relevant phrases, which will enhance your traffic. Then you can, if you have identify your client persona, then you can use this particular prompt to identifying and visualizing the keyword opportunity what you can get for the service page which you wanted to target, or which you wanted to target with the topics. So this will generate the content. This will generate the ideas for keyword opportunities. Generating keyword ideas based on user persona. is like understanding your audience is key. By focusing user persona, you can discover search terms that matches to their need with behavior and intent. So in next slide, there are 5 prompts which can be utilized. I will suggest entire ICs, entire WSI ICs too. You can always enhance and always use multiple prompts based on your needs. Like if you want to generate persona specific keywords, that is the first prompt. Then you can use like plus and minus, positive and negative type of people who may have an intent for the same service. Second prompt is that, and for buying journey keywords, and there is a third prompt. Then you, if you want to optimize the pages or the service pages, then the voice search and conversational keywords prompt. And if the site is basically targeting the location based, one particular location with 10 or 15 miles, then for keyword generation, and the fifth prompt can be used. Once these prompts are used, there is very heavy data which will be produced. So AI does not substitute manual keyword research. Once the tons of data is coming in format of Excel or in format of anything else, you should definitely give a human touch to it, because there are many third-party tools which are not giving you accurate data, and you should always cross-check and validate the sources from which this keywords has been produced, which will help you to identify and do a good research, uh, because sometimes AI tools can give you misinformation as well. If you know your client persona, if you know your service area, you can definitely go through the keyword key phrases or long tail key phrases which has been produced by AI. AI can be used for content creation as well. Is definitely how AI support your content strategy. I think that is normal piece of content is how AI enhance content strategy. Each activity you can use proper prompts to generate to get the initial research work done, like keywords, topic research, SEO optimization. You can do competitive analysis as well, content performance analysis, A/B testing, and optimization, and multilingual content expansion as well. This is as how AI enhance your content strategy. Once content strategy is been in place, then you can use AI tools for writing assistant as well as generating content idea, or doing a deep dive research, adding in-depth knowledge on the content, on the topics, and then producing it to the tone or to the country at which you are located. It supports multiple writing as well. AI writing tools boost productivity. These are some of the recommended AI tools which are available. It will help you to generate blog topics and ideas, create engaging headlines and subject lines, write and optimize blog content, enhance grammar and readability and clarity. Then definitely paraphrase and rewrite the content. This slide, I think everyone is aware of as like AI creative, the new digital era. There are multiple work which right now AI is doing. AI tools are doing, like Dell EAS, then you have Adobe. So just I have seen some of the AI tool in which you have to add your personal image and it produce a mascotting. So that is a good tool, but you also need to be very careful as your personal information is going in that tool. And if sometimes the hack is coming in, then this data can be leaked. How AI tool can be used for local and technical SEO. Let's give you the prompt like for a Google business profile optimization. I've just used one prompt like provide the most relevant categories for a driving school to target in their Google business profile, by which I can get the categories in the description generated, and I can add those things on my Google profile pages and optimize it more relevant. You can use multiple LLMs to see as how the results are coming in. Then you have free AI Google Business Profile description generated from SAMrush as well, which will automate key tasks as increase your relevance on Google and gain more traffic from map results by using AI tools and stand out in local searches. You can go with free trials or you can go with free subscription. And definitely this is available in paid search. So I assume every ICs are using the SAMrush, so you can try out this feature as well if you have not used, because user cases in crafting, it will help you in crafting relevant business description, analyze the data to provide recommendations. Now let's see if you have a client who is a dentist and his target area of serving is say about 15 miles or 30 miles. Based on this is the prompt which can be used. It can be altered based on the how far it is and what is the driving time which will take and what is the population of nearest city, nearest small towns close to the main area of client. So AI tool can definitely generate those data based on the searches, what you're doing on OpenLLM. You should also cross validate once the data has been published, once the data has been generated by OpenAI. Link building strategy is definitely something which AI can help you with email personalization, comparative backlinks and gap analysis, identify broken links, identification and replacement. For internal, it is AI generated internal link suggestions, content based link structuring. E-commerce, this part we will try to cover in the next presentation, because this is something very good which we are trying to do. And just for your information, I've added the slide. Let's start with Q&A session. If anyone is having a question, they can ask.
Luciana, we will be sharing the PPT either on email or on the WSI Work Vivo, so you can review it later as well. Uh, Anyone has questions you can ask. We got 15-20 minutes to answer all your queries.
Yeah, there are multiple prompts available at our end. If any specific work to be performed, you're looking for prompts, you can always reach out to us. Arjun, anyone have any other question?
I'm waiting for it. Just we can wait for 5 more minutes and then we can wrap up. Okay. If anyone has any questions. Yeah. Yeah, Luciana has one question for you, Ravish. You have mentioned that e-commerce SEO is going to be covered in the another presentation.
Yeah.
So, is this the glimpse of our next webinar?
We are trying to do that. Let's see if we are able to get it done in the next slide, next session. Definitely, we'll try to do it.
Uh, Ravish, can you explain, elaborate the use of SEMrush in terms of GBP related to any Google business page?
Mhm.
Yeah.
And this is a free tool which will help you to add the data of your actual location or Google business profile, and it will suggest you the other places at which you can list your business apart from Google. Like it will suggest you Yelp is there, then Bing is there. So other listing opportunity will be there, in which the same information can be added. It helps you to rank your original Google My Business page. And this also, since you have asked this question, is if there is multiple town cities near to your location, I'll advise that you add it in the service or add it in individual pages that you are catering the services in that particular location as well. Or you can build individual pages that will be more effective and easy to rank, keeping in mind that that you are doing something which is not available on the web. There has to be unique way of publishing that particular page with definitely unique content and unique layout.
Yeah, I think that has explained the use of GBP, right? Yeah, talking about SEMrush, Ravish, I believe we covered that ChatGPT to be integrated with Screaming Frog, right?
Yeah.
So I believe that is a possibility. But if any ICs want to try it, is there any kind of free version available for that, or is this like a
No, no,
paid
no.
service? Yeah.
It is only available in the paid version. You won't get this feature in free versions.
Okay. Okay. So in the free version, we will just are able to get the audits, right? The audits for limited pages, right?
I don't think so. There will be limited service, but that will be in free version. That won't add any sort of value because those things can be covered through open LLMs as well.
Okay. Another one is for you. For manual keyword research, do you suggest SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, or is there any other tool we can use?
You can use multiple tools for keyword research. That is definitely a go sign. But you should once these tools has been generating the keyword research work, Google is definitely a relevant source of service. Like you can trust that particular source, but you should also cross-validate with other places. Uh, the keyword research which is getting generated through either through SAMrush or either through any open LLM. Definitely those data and those keyword research you need to check and cross verify.
Yeah, so basically what you're saying is do all the manual keyword research work stuff first in Google Keyword Planner, all the
Yeah.
manual keyword research, and then to use other tools like SEMrush or Insights or any
Mhm.
Screaming Frog, and then just cross-validate it, check the volume and
Mm,
all the stuff,
No,
and find, yeah.
there are two scenarios. If the client is having an existing site, then you can go into Webmaster Search Console. You will find the key phrases or long long tail keywords in which the traffic is coming. You will also see if the impressions are less but the traffic is the volume of search is very high. You will see in console if you're working on existing site. But if definitely if you're launching a new site for the client who is not present on the web, then the keyword research will definitely you can use keyword planner. And you can do keyword research from multiple places, but once it has been produced, there has to be human touch to be evolved at every whichever tools you are using. You need to see and validate those key phrases or keywords.
I hope, yeah. Thanks, Luciana. Another one, Ravish. How do you A/B test AI optimized pages versus manually created pages in terms of SEO performance?
For this particular thing, I will. Who is the IC who's asking this question?
This is something our team internally wants to know.
Mhm.
Uh, yeah,
No, I think if the IC, there is a details of it which I can pass it on the email to the client.
yeah, yeah.
Uh, any questions is pending, Arjun?
I think there are no pending
Okay,
questions left, Ravish.
okay, then we can end up the session. Thank you, all the ICs who are present in this webinar. I hope we have added some sort of, we have added a value to your thought process as what is the trend which is right now and where the trend could go now. So thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thanks everyone for joining. We'll be back with another session, as Ravish mentioned, for e-commerce maybe. So stay tuned up. We are consistently posting posts on WSI Work Vivo. You can get our insights there as well. Or if you want to contact us directly, me, Ravish, Ashish, and Girish, we are the four people working with WSI. So is there? If you have any kind of questions which may arise in maybe in the future, so you can always email us or drop a message on Work Vivo. We are always there to help you out in any sort of queries. Okay. Thanks again. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.